Hello, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about customer relationship management CRM strategies. Designing a comprehensive course on customer relationship management CRM strategies involves understanding the key components of CRM, its benefits, implementation processes, and best practices. First and basic section of the course is Introduction to CRM. Customer relationship management CRM is a strategic approach that businesses adopt to cultivate and enhance their interactions with customers throughout the entire lifecycle. It involves the integration of technology, processes, and data to effectively manage customer relationships, understand their needs, and tailor experiences to create lasting value. By leveraging CRM principles, organizations can streamline sales, marketing, and customer service efforts, leading to improved customer satisfaction, increased loyalty, and ultimately sustained business growth. CRM serves as a compass, guiding companies towards customer centricity and enabling them to forge meaningful connections in today's dynamic and competitive business landscape. The second most important topic of this course is CRM strategy development. CRM strategy development is a structured process through which businesses formulate and align their objectives, methodologies, and resources to effectively manage and nurture customer relationships. It encompasses the deliberate selection of tools, technologies, and data-driven insights to personalize interactions, enhance engagement, and drive customer satisfaction. By crafting a well-defined CRM strategy, organizations can optimize their customer touchpoints, segment their audience, and allocate resources efficiently, resulting in stronger customer loyalty, increased revenue, and a more profound understanding of their market. Effective CRM strategy development empowers companies to anticipate customer needs, adapt to changing preferences, and ultimately establish a competitive edge in the marketplace. Now move on to the next point, that is CRM implementation strategies. CRM implementation strategies involve the systematic planning, execution, and integration of customer relationship management tools and practices into an organization's operations. These strategies encompass selecting the right CRM software, customizing it to align with specific business needs, and ensuring smooth integration with existing systems. Successful implementation involves training employees, fostering user adoption, and establishing clear workflows for data management and customer engagement. By employing well-crafted CRM implementation strategies, businesses can streamline processes, enhance communication, and gain actionable insights from customer data, ultimately leading to improved customer relationships, increased operational efficiency, and sustainable business growth. Now let's talk about next section, that is customer engagement and interaction. Customer engagement and interaction refer to the dynamic and meaningful connections that businesses establish with their customers across various touchpoints. It involves personalized communication, active listening, and delivering valuable experiences that resonate with individual needs and preferences. Effective customer engagement entails consistent interactions through multiple channels, such as social media, email, phone, and in-person interactions, fostering a sense of loyalty and community. By nurturing these interactions, businesses can cultivate lasting relationships, encourage customer advocacy, and gain invaluable insights that drive continuous improvement and innovation. The next topic is continuous improvement and measurement. Continuous improvement and measurement within the context of customer relationship management CRM involves an ongoing process of evaluating, refining, and optimizing CRM strategies and practices. It encompasses a systematic collection of data, analysis of key performance indicators (KPIs), and the use of insights to enhance customer experiences and business outcomes. By measuring metrics such as customer satisfaction, retention rates, and acquisition costs, organizations can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven adjustments to their CRM initiatives. This iterative approach ensures that businesses stay responsive to changing customer needs, adapt to market trends, and ultimately maximize the effectiveness of their CRM efforts, leading to sustained growth and a competitive edge. Let's talk about case studies and best practices. Case studies and best practices in the realm of customer relationship management CRM offer valuable real-world insights and proven strategies for successful implementation. These examples showcase how organizations across different industries have effectively leveraged CRM to enhance customer engagement, drive revenue, and achieve business goals. By studying these case studies, businesses can gain inspiration, learn from both successes and challenges, and adapt best practices to their unique contexts. This analytical approach equips companies with practical tools and actionable takeaways, enabling them to make informed decisions, optimize their CRM strategies, and create lasting value for both customers and the organization. Let's dive deep into the next section. Future trends in CRM. Future trends in customer relationship management CRM point toward an increasingly interconnected and technologically advanced landscape. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are poised to play pivotal roles, enabling hyper-personalization, predictive analytics, and seamless customer interactions across diverse platforms. The integration of IoT, Internet of Things data, and social media insights will provide richer customer context, driving more informed decision-making. Moreover, ethical considerations surrounding data privacy and security will shape CRM practices, emphasizing transparency and responsible data usage. As businesses navigate these evolving trends, they will unlock new avenues for enhancing customer experiences, fostering deeper relationships, and achieving sustainable competitive advantages. Congratulations on completing the Customer Relationship Management CRM Strategies course. You have journeyed through the intricacies of CRM, from its concepts to its practical implementation and future possibilities. As you leave this course, you are equipped with a comprehensive understanding of how CRM can revolutionize customer interactions, drive business growth, and shape the future of organizations. Remember, the knowledge you've gained doesn't end here, it's a stepping stone to your ongoing success. Whether you're a business professional, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, the insights you've gained into CRM strategies will empower you to forge stronger customer relationships, optimize processes, and stay attuned to the dynamic shifts in the business landscape. As you apply these learnings, continue to seek innovative ways to engage with customers, personalize experiences, and leverage data-driven insights. The world of CRM is ever evolving, and your capacity to adapt and innovate will be key to achieving customer-centric excellence. Thank you for your dedication and enthusiasm throughout this course. Best of luck as you embark on your journey to reshape customer relationships and drive meaningful impact in the realm of business. Join our community of knowledge seekers and stay updated with insightful content. Hit that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for regular doses of inspiration and learning.